This summer, I had the wonderful opportunity to work with 12 amazing teachers from different districts in southern Arizona. We all met at the University of Arizona for 6 weeks and learned about the Santa Cruz River and all the interesting organisms that live there. We learned how to survey the river in different locations so we can see which organisms are thriving. One of the organisms we surveyed were turtles. They were caught by using cages and tuna. The traps would be set the day before and then examined the next day. We met 3 different types of turtles: the slider turtle, the spiny softshell turtle, and our native, the Sonoran mud turtle. The spiny softshell turtle and the slider turtle needed to be held upside down so they wouldn't bite. They were then weighed and measured before they were released. With the Sonoran mud turtles, they were marked so if they were caught again, we can see how much they had grown. Along the way, we saw a baby garter snake, a bullfrog. Can you find the bullfrog? How about now? We also saw a lot of fish in the river as well. We surveyed the plants with quadrants to see how many plants are present, and to give us an idea of the wildlife, we used camera traps. These cameras have motion sensors and they are placed on tree trunks, so if an animal walks by, it will start recording it. This way, we can see which animals are present in that area. Towards the end of week 4, teachers chose the type of field research they wanted to do, and I chose to be in the dragonfly group. Here, I worked with 2 amazing teachers and a wonderful graduate student who taught us a lot about dragonflies. We visited several sites to survey the number of species in each location. We learned that the Irvington site was the most diverse with 15 species present. What amazes me about these dragonflies are their beautiful colors and the fact that they have a 95% success rate in catching their prey. One thing that needs to be pointed out is that all these organisms are possible due to the running water that Tres Rios, Agua Nueva, Sweetwater wastewater reclamation facilities treat and then discharge onto the Santa Cruz River. This allows all these organisms to thrive in the Santa Cruz River. In closing, I want to thank the National Science Foundation and Dr. Bogan for making this learning experience possible. I also want to thank Jacqueline for always being available to answer any questions, as well as Margaret and Rebecca for reminding us the importance of making observations. Also, a big thank you to the graduate students and presenters for sharing their knowledge with us.